With voice access, you can use the full functionality of your mouse and keyboard using verbal commands. For example, on your mouse, you may want to left click, right click, click twice or even 3 times. On your keyboard, you may want to press more than one key at a time, or you may want to hold down one key whilst you press another. To left click at the current mouse position, use the command click. This performs a single left mouse button click wherever your cursor currently is. You can also use the command tap or left click. To right click, use the command right click. This command is essential for accessing context menus in most applications. If you need to click more than once, you can use the command double click or triple click. These are useful if you need to select an entire line of text or paragraph in a text editor. You can move your mouse pointer continuously by using the command move mouse followed by the direction. For example, you can use the command move mouse up, move mouse down, move mouse left, and move mouse right. You can also move in diagonal directions by using commands such as move mouse top left or move mouse bottom right. For more precise control, you can specify a distance in pixels that you want to move the mouse by. For example, you can use the command move mouse right 50 to move the mouse 50 pixels to the right. You can also control the speed of the mouse movement. If the mouse is moving too slowly for your needs, you can use the command move faster or just faster. If the mouse is moving too slowly, you can use the command move slower or slower. To stop the mouse movement, use the command stop or stop moving. Voice access gives you complete control over keyboard input. To press any single key, use the command press followed by the key name. For example, you could use the command press enter, press escape, press F1, and so on. This also works for the arrow keys, so you can say press right, press left, press up, and press down. To press a key multiple times, use the command press, followed by the key name and the number of times. For example, you could say press tab 3 times or press down 5 times. For keyboard combinations, use the command press followed by all the keys you want to press together. For example, you could use the command press Ctrl C to copy. If you want to, you can use the words and or plus between the key names. So you could say press Ctrl and C or press Ctrl plus C. Sometimes you may need to hold keys down for an extended period of time. To do this, use the command press and hold followed by the key name. For example, you could say press and hold shift. The key will remain pressed until you use the command release followed by the name of the key. If you want to release all keys, you can use a single command, release. Voice access includes several convenient shortcuts for common keyboard actions. You can use the command dismiss to press the escape key, which closes menus and dialog boxes. You can use the command backspace to press the backspace key for deleting characters. You can use the enter command to press the enter key or confirm an action. You can use the tab command to navigate between fields, and you can use the delete command in place of the delete key. In the next video, we'll explore how to dictate, select, navigate, and manage text.